Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening Lighting in Explorer and turning on Studio Lighting Preview so you see changes in real time. Once done, set time of day and brightness to establish base exposure. This prevents extreme clipping later. Add a sky object, place sun rays, and drop a color correction effect to shape tone. Make sure to work with a neutral base scene. That way, color tweaks and intensity adjustments produce predictable results and save time when you move to shadows and global illumination. Next, you tune shadows and materials because lighting feels realistic only when shadows behave correctly. Enable Shadow Map or use future shadow settings. Raise shadow softness slightly to avoid harsh edges and toggle global shadows to see full effects. Then inspect materials. Lower roughness for shinier surfaces, raise for matte. Place directional point and spot lights to layer illumination. Use low intensity values and adjust range so lights add accents without blowing out exposure. Once you balance shadows and materials, scene depth. Finally, you finalize by baking or updating light maps for static geometry. Use lighting, update, or light map generation for best performance. Once baked, compare play testing versus studio preview and make micro adjustments to bloom, exposure, and contrast so the scene reads in-game. If something looks off, check for runtime scripts altering lighting properties and temporarily disable them. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset lighting properties to defaults and reapply your settings step by step. This isolates the cause and gets you back to a correct baseline quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.